take this bird in with its broken leg.
She
We could
is
nurse it,
so cute.
she said.
She's
Come inside,
super
lie
funny.
down with me.
And she also loves
If you fall asleep, it wouldn't be the worst thing. But when I wake up, your makeup's on my shoulder.
But they're wonderful, they're beautiful,
Tell me if I lie down, would you stay now? Let me hold ya. Oh, but if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I'll owe it all to you, oh, my little bird.
You won't be happy if you're not happy with who you are. No matter
My little bird.
how much everybody else is infatuated with you, it doesn't matter if you don't like who you are. That's the most important
Take a
thing.
walk out in the morning dew. We could lay down, so I'm next to you.
Camila is she's kind of really goofy, dorky, but she also has like a refined side to her. Like she is likes to read and she's really intelligent and stuff. So she's like really cool. She's got good music taste too.
I'm covered by nature, and I'm safe now underneath this oak tree with you beside me. But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I'll owe it all to you, oh, my little bird. My little bird. My little bird. My little bird.
There's no freedom like the freedom that comes from accepting yourself.
And of all these things, I'm sure I'm not quite certain of your love. And you make me scream, but then I made you cry when I left that little bird with its broken leg to die. But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling,
I love Camille's personality. You're also like
taste how
very
lips do,
and like it's so you are positive and you're like so goofy. I wish I was goofy.
cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, but I'll owe it all to you, oh, my little bird. My little bird, whoa, my little bird.
I think we all have those insecurities, but at the end of the day, nobody's perfect, and everybody's weird, whether they embrace it or not.